And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this cube timer. We'll look around the box here. Let's open it up and see how this works. So right on top, got a little instruction manual. This tells you exactly how to use your cube timer. Now it does need 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, so keep that in mind. And then, said for the box, this is the cube timer. So your batteries go in right there on the bottom. And so you have 15, 20, 30, and an hour. Nothing on the top, and the bottom, as I mentioned, is where the battery goes. And then there's this off, low, and high setting. Happen to have 2 AA batteries here. So let's pop these in and try to see how this works. All right, put it on high. So you can't really see this from there. Let me try to do it this way. So it depends on where you set it at. So like if you want 60 minutes, you just set it like this and it instantly starts counting down 60 minutes. If you want 20 minutes, you set it like this and then it's instantly counting down 20 minutes, 1957. So that's how it is. Now the settings for your noise, so you can have a low noise or a high noise. I'd keep it on high. And yeah, you're just able to set it. So now it's counting down for 15 minutes and now it's counting down for 20 minutes. As you may be able to see right there, 1958 or 1956. So, set it here, 60 minutes, and then you can see 59 minutes, 59 seconds. Very cool. Okay, so that's how it works. Well, thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this cube timer to demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.